Not everyone will see the spiritual war that's going on around us. Some people will be blind of it. They will not see the people who are playing games in their life. They will be blind of it. They will only see the nice of the people. They don't see what they do behind their back and how their face changes when they walk away. So you cannot help everybody. Not everybody wants to see it. But one thing, don't let them play with your intuition. What you see, you see. Nobody can tell you that what you see is not good or is wrong because you know. Let nobody make you doubt your own intuition. Sometimes we overlook when people treat us a kind of way. We think, oh no, they didn't mean it. We didn't see it well. But we saw exactly what we saw. They show us who they are, but we don't want to believe it. We learn in this lifetime that we have to forgive people, and that when your friends make a mistake, they are your friends. When they say sorry, you have to accept it and take them back into your life. But that's the mistake that we make. Sometimes we won't see it because we don't want to see it. And those people are just here because they see something in you that you don't see in yourself. And if you don't see in yourself what they see in you, they will destroy it without you even know it, that you had it.
No, I won't believe it. She won't do you like that. She's a very nice person. I know her very well. What you're thinking is wrong. We are the same. Why would you do something like that? I don't think so.
Anyone can wear the mask.
Not cool. Not fucking cool. You have no fucking idea how not fucking cool that shit is. We? Who's we? There is no we. You gotta be fucking kidding me.
I know. I'm gonna act like I don't know, but I know. I'm gonna act like how you act, like you mean it. And you're not gonna know what I know. We are not the same. Some people are here just to suck on your energy because they are energy vampires. And they are here to suck on your energy. Some people are here to grow and to love. So we are not the same.
Anyone can wear the mask.
Everybody is here on their own mission or assignment or spiritual awakening. Not everybody is here for the same reason. Some people are here to wake up spiritually and see that we are living in an illusion. We're living in a reality that someone else created for us. This is not freedom. We are in a prison cell where somebody else makes rules over our souls. And we are here to break free and do what we love to do so we can be free and make our own life in freedom. Then you got people with a mission to keep you stuck in this system. They don't want you to break free. They want you to stay in this illusion, stuck like they are, hateful like they are, miserable like they are. They want you to be a prisoner of this system. They want you to stay stuck like them in this system. They don't want you to break free. And they will pretend well to keep you stuck in here if you don't watch yourself. So always trust in yourself and know that there's always somebody watching over you. You are never alone. You always have a team of spiritual guides who will protect you. They will never leave you if you stay in the frequency of love. If you want to be a hateful person or you want to live in hate and revenge, everything you give out will come back to you. So the choice is on you. Choose wisely.
You is smart. You is important.
Great Mother does not take sides, Jake. She protects only the balance of life.
I built this sphere from code and memory through it. I see every reality that tried to forget us.
I want to thank everybody for listening and watching, and take good care of yourself. Always don't forget to stand in your power and trust in your intuition. And by the way, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.